to go to breakfast. I'm dressed. It's day 2. Full day 2. So, I'm gonna go get some breakfast at the buffet. Cause Sissy and Daddy went down there. Oh my goodness. See, it's just a lot going on with my face, with my, yeah. Bye guys. I'll check back in later.
All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me.
Very good.
Alright, next number.
Don't say anything. Wait until she choose somebody.
Alright, you're choosing it.
Tell her the numeral. What's your wrong paper? Why you raise your hand? Choose somebody else.
Pick somebody else.
Do I tell her the numeral?
Yeah.
Good job.
Strong. Okay, you ready? Tell mommy get. Who did she call? Who did you pick? Pick someone. What's number? What number? Yeah. Good job. Yeah. All right. Next number. What are you gonna show?
No. Listen up. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all are so sweet.
Big hug. More hugs. Come here.
Okay. Eat it. Breadfruit.
This
What
is
is
used
that?
to make, we boil it and eat it, cook it, we fry it, we
Oh, wow.
roast it, we bake it, we used to make salad, and we used to make chips, breadfruit juice, breadfruit
wow.
salad, very versatile.
What is it similar to? Like, what does it taste like?
It's
more?
a starch.
Okay.
Potato.
Oh.
Yeah. And then this is the aki.
Puts out inside.
Oh yeah, one of them.
And then we eat it with like a curry rundown.
Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue.
Want to get my vlog?
Take me out the club,
My vlog,
take me
guys.
out the trap, take me
Yeah.
off the map. I'm tryna hit the
cool.
group
I've never seen
chat
these.
and tell them it's a I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Yeah, Yeah. We got a veggie burger. We got a veggie burger too. Chicken burger.
10 out of 10, we'll recommend.
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall. What damage I can do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places.
It's to fit. Because I couldn't find my bra. Period. Yeah. Hey y'all. How y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Damage I could do. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but dolly, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark.
This torture. Don't say I can't, say I can't avoid
She said, oh, my pink friends, you gotta go to Club Liquid. You gotta go. I'ma see you there. It's the last day. We got a party.
That's creepy.
That's what she said.
That's so creepy, bro.
Liquid or what? You're going to Club Liquid
Okay,
or
bro.
what? Wait, hold up.
Anyways, guys, we just left the. This elevator freaking out. We're going
Smell like
to the fourth floor. Girl, shut up. What is wrong with you? I see. But we just left Carrie. We just left Bumble Cloud. Girl, what is wrong with you? We just left karaoke and he kicked us out and he said we cannot sing. Let me stop. Nah, he said that it's already full and he was trying to get it over with for the night, I guess. So he didn't let us put our alright, let me turn my light on. He didn't let us
Bumbo clap.
Is he still singing? Did he lie to us? Wow. But he didn't let us put our name down because he said he was trying to wrap it up, I guess.
Y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all, but look at this. Look at my bracelet.
You showed him already, golly, you don't remember?
It's so cute.
Anyways. Yeah, so we finna go back to the room because tomorrow we go to Dunn's Riverfall.
And I'm trying to be
Dunn's Riverfall. Energetic. Because that's 10:30 in the morning. And I don't wake up. And they trying to wake up for the sunset at 5:30. Me personally, I will not be doing that. So y'all got it.
Oh, we right here by the burger.
Girl, this burger finna take 45 minutes. It's a cat.
Look in there. It's right there.
Hi guys.
Hi y'all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day. Oh, my camera. It's still fogging up. Oh my goodness. It's down.
30-inch bust down. I don't know what that means.
That means
Anyways.
like that jet black Brazilian butt length hair.
I didn't say all of it, but it's day 3, guys. And we're going to Dunn's Riverfall, whatever, how you say it.
I just want a smoothie. If you go up in there and get some food, I just want
Feet check. No cap. Feet check.
You don't play with her, Jamaica.
Yeah. And so, yeah, this is mama feet check over here.
She had her whatchamacallit on.
Yeah, she just put a shirt on so she
Can't
can
have
do it.
a
But now we're gonna go check in and things of that nature. Things of that nature. As Duke Dennis would say, things of that nature. We cannot find Eden or Diddy, and he does not have his phone on him. So, oh, I do look very greased up, oiled up, and dark. It's okay. I probably got like 3 shades darker.
Take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the roof.
You gotta tell the block hello.
Hello.
Turn them up.
She don't eat veggies. She just eat candy a lot. It's like
veggies.
Now do your veggie dance.
I do the veggie dance.
Now do that veggie dance.
Where's my
Exactly. You can't do your veggie dance either. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. You can't do the
play with
veggie
her.
dance. These are so cute, y'all. I don't think I have showed y'all this, but this bracelet.
Yeah, I know it's
I keep
cute.
coming back over here. If this thing work, I love people see the price of it. The thing don't work. They got a necklace, a little bracelet. Those are charms. Those aren't rings. Those are charms. Those are cute too. If I had a bracelet like that or something like that, I'd get a charm and put on it.
I know.
I might go look.
Tell them so I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to
She got butterfly.
I like butterflies.
You like butterfly? Okay, guys. We're yeah. Okay, guys. We're here and we're going inside. Eden not looking, but she got butterflies. She wanted to show the butterfly. I got stars. Yeah. I gotta scan it. Up here. Right here. Thank you. She can scan back there. They getting scanned up. Yeah. So we're going inside. Ooh, they leaving us. They leaving us for real. It's right here for real. We're taking our time, our sweet, precious time. But I'm recording what
don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the most.
Look at the fan back there.
I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. Where I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I'll meet them at the places.
Where she at? Come on! Come on!
All I know is hit the most.
You don't? What you do?
I could do.
At the hotel. I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day. So I'm gonna go get some food. But I'm finna get my snorkel from the room. Put some stuff down. And chill. Go to the beach. Ooh. Hold on. Go to the beach. We're going to take pictures. Ooh, sorry. Everybody in their green. I'll do a fit check when we get over there. Trying to say a chord, and it's probably A minor. Come join my vlog in the sun.
Hey y'all. We taking pictures. So cute. So cute.
Got my rings on. Got the fit on. Let me see her fit on. She got that on. Period.
Here's the check.
Fit check, fit check.
Check. Yeah.
That's my, ooh. This current almost swept me away. Golly. That was an extra 3-way. Look at them. Looking so cute. Like a happy couple.
Oh, no. Actually, you
Right, for real.
I know I'm a kick for a dollar.
You say it's not a city Give it to us. Come on now.
Take me off the bar.
Guys, you are doing me.
We made that clip on attitude. You said
She's not giving up. Oh my god. Alright,
Take me out the
85 is correct. What happened?
36.
36.
yeah.
Wait, this is 36.
easy.
Hands
raised.
For real.
We winning.
Local dish in Jamaica.
Express my
Put your hand
love.
there.
It's called
See, that's not fair. Look at them. Look at that.
or finger.
Her hands is already up.
I don't want to do
Quintana.
I don't hear that.
Master, that is correct.
Tell me what to do.
Bro, her hand been up for the past 30 minutes. Look at her. She already like this.
Tell me what
She
to
like,
do. All I know is
Normally what you do is giant right here.
Where are you from?
world, but there's other planets.
she got her hand up. For real, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, true or false? True or false?
Tell them put their hands. Yeah, it's a true or false. What's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Go ahead.
Think I'll meet them at the places I be.
Violin. Here we go. Jamaica is.
What's on your mind?
Answer it. What's the answer? What's the answer? Right, tell us the answer.
All right, take it down. Jamaica is famous for one type of jerk meat. See, Teddy, Panda.
Read the whole question.
Chicken is correct.
They over there cheating. Man, we carrying on the whole team. Like, what? White privilege, she said, put your hand out. Don't make me mad.
Make it nice enough for all the people. Make it nice.
Hi guys, we're back in the room because me and Eden want to call it a night. We tired. Say night vlog.
And this is what we have.
Oh, we got drinks. She want to show y'all our drinks. Yeah. Back in the room. We're gonna sleep for real. And call it a day. We only have, what's today? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 3 full days left. Yeah, I already feel like we've been here for a long time, but we have 3 full days left. And tomorrow, I think it's just a beach day. We're gonna take Eden to the beach. And what else are we gonna do tomorrow? I don't know, but I think Sunday is our massage day. We all get a massage. And then Monday, I think, is another chill day. Even Daddy. We all get a massage, so. Yeah. We in for the night, because sometimes you just gotta rest. And I feel pooped. I'm tired. So, it's time to go to sleep. Night, night. Say night vlog. Night vlog.
Helen and, Cece, Mama, and Daddy still downstairs.
Okay, I said say night vlog. Night vlog.